Choosing the right water filter for your home is a decision that goes beyond just taste. It's about safety, practicality, convenience, and even long-term value. Two names that dominate the household water filter market are PUR and Brita. Both promise to provide cleaner, better-tasting water, but there are distinct differences between them that make each better suited for certain needs and lifestyles. Below are detailed, engaging comparisons under the key categories you requested, all formatted in paragraphs to offer the clarity of a conversation you might have with a knowledgeable friend. Filtration performance. When it comes to removing impurities from tap water, both PUR and Brita have made extensive claims. PUR, in particular, is often recognized for its robust ability to remove a wider range of contaminants compared to Brita. It is not just about chlorine, which most decent filters catch. PUR also targets health-related contaminants like lead, certain pesticides, industrial pollutants, and some heavy metals such as copper, mercury, and even uranium. This is not to say Brita falls short. On the contrary, Brita filters excel at enhancing the taste of water by reducing chlorine, zinc, and other taste-altering substances. However, if you live in an area where water contamination fears run high, or your plumbing is old, increasing the risk of heavy metals in the water, PUR's technology and certifications can offer extra peace of mind. Blind taste tests have, interestingly, often favored Brita for a crisper, more neutral flavor profile, even when the science shows that PUR may remove more contaminants. Users sometimes detect a metallic or processed aftertaste from PUR, generally attributed to the initial water flush through a new filter, which usually disappears after proper setup. Both brands' top filters have met NSF and ANSI certification standards for safety, but PUR sometimes highlights these comparative advantages strongly in its marketing and on packaging. Ultimately, both dramatically improve the quality of tap water, though PUR might edge out for households especially worried about complex contaminants. Taste. Taste is often subjective, but for many buyers, it's the #1 reason for getting a water filter in the first place. Brita has built a reputation for producing reliably clean and neutral-tasting water. The experience is remarkably consistent from one pitcher to the next, which is why Brita often wins in double-blind tasting sessions. The focus is on delivering a bottled water experience without any aftertaste, lingering odors, or weird sensations, even in cities with notorious tap water quality. On the other hand, PUR can sometimes present a flavor profile that's less neutral. While some users report greatly improved taste, others mention a slightly metallic or mineral aftertaste, particularly if the filter is brand new or hasn't been rinsed properly. This distinction is important for anyone with sensitive taste buds or who uses filtered water to make tea, coffee, or cook, where subtle water flavors are more noticeable. For many families, Brita's consistent taste may be the strongest reason to choose it, especially when entertaining guests or for daily drinking. Filter life and cost. Any water filter pitcher's value isn't just measured by its purchase price, but by how frequently filters need replacement and what that costs over time. Brita's Elite filters, for example, are designed with longevity in mind, boasting a lifespan of up to 120 gallons or about 6 months for the average household. This outpaces most PUR pitcher filters, which are typically rated for about 40 gallons or 2 months before needing a change. This major difference has cost implications. Brita replacement filters are not only widely available, but usually less expensive, making long-term ownership more economical. Over several years, the savings can add up. Moreover, users report that Brita filters maintain steady flow rates and effectiveness throughout their life, whereas PUR filters can be more prone to clogging over time, especially in areas with hard water. More frequent replacements with PUR don't just cost more, they can create added hassle and inconvenience for busy households. Ease of use and options. When it comes to everyday practicality, both PUR and Brita have focused on user-friendly designs. Both brands offer a variety of pitchers and dispensers, as well as faucet-mounted filters for those who prefer on-demand filtration straight from the tap. However, there are some unique usability aspects to weigh. Brita's range is generally more extensive and broadly available at most major retailers, giving users a wider selection in terms of pitcher size, color, and price point. Many Brita pitchers are also compatible with multiple types of filters. For example, the standard and the longer-lasting Elite, which adds to convenience. Their pitchers are lightweight and designed with ergonomics in mind, making everyday use effortless. When new, PUR filters often process water more quickly than Brita, but this speed advantage can evaporate if clogging develops, a problem that seems more frequent with PUR, especially in older systems or areas with high mineral content. Brita's filtration speed is steady, if a little slower. For faucet-attached options, Brita's basic model notably offers a higher flow rate than PUR, which can matter during high-use periods like meal prep and family gatherings. Another practical consideration is ease of setup and filter replacement. Both brands do well here, with click-in cartridge systems and easy-to-read indicators. But Brita's slightly simpler design and greater interchangeability might give it the slight edge for users who want to keep things straightforward. Pitcher design. Both PUR and Brita have embraced modern fridge-friendly pitcher aesthetics over the years. Their pitchers fit easily in refrigerator doors, hold several cups of water, and have ergonomic handles for easy pouring. While neither company's filters are interchangeable, meaning you must stick with one filter type, the overall build and usability are very similar. Brita, however, has a greater variety of pitcher shapes, colors, and sizes, allowing consumers to match their kitchen decor or specific family needs. Some Brita models now offer smart features like electronic filter change reminders. PUR's options are a bit more limited, but their pitchers are often praised for initial fast filtering, before possible clogs, and a solid, substantial feel. Ultimately, aesthetic and feel come down to personal preference, but Brita's variety and smart features cater to a wider array of households. User experience and reliability. Day-to-day use and reported reliability are where consumer reviews and anecdotes play a critical role. Brita has built strong customer loyalty over decades, thanks mostly to filters that are simple to replace, consistent in lifespan and performance, and prone to fewer problems like clogging, leaking, or jamming. Many Brita pitcher models include features like flip-top lids and easy-pour spouts for added comfort. The brand is often the set-it-and-forget-it choice for families who want dependable, good-tasting water with minimal fuss. PUR, in contrast, often attracts users who value maximum contaminant reduction or live in high-risk water areas. However, the trade-off is that PUR pitchers sometimes face quality control complaints relating to the filter clogging well before its advertised lifespan, or inconsistent taste changes as the filter ages. Some users also find the faucet mount units slow in flow, particularly as the filter nears the end of its cycle. Such issues aren't deal breakers, but they can factor into whether you want the high contaminant removal insurance policy PUR offers, or if you prioritize reliability and ease, in which case Brita is a safer bet. Overall satisfaction. Across user reviews, expert tests, and industry certifications, a pattern emerges. Brita tends to delight customers looking for longevity, affordability, and consistently good-tasting water. It's the workhorse brand for straightforward needs and households that don't want a lot of maintenance headaches or surprises. By contrast, PUR sometimes wins with consumers who want the reassurance of wider contaminant removal, especially in areas with suspect water quality. Both brands are credible choices, with reputable certifications and years of trust behind them. The best pick depends on your priorities. Choose PUR if you want the maximum in contaminant removal and are willing to accept potential trade-offs in filter lifespan and occasional clogging. Choose Brita if your top concerns are reliability, taste, and minimizing replacement and maintenance costs. Either way, you'll be making your tap water safer and more enjoyable, with the added satisfaction that comes from knowing you made an informed choice.